Alright, we decided to come out to the big field today to play around with the drone so we don't hit anything. And we want to start trying to figure out all these different functions. So, we out here playing around a little bit. It's my left, right. So that's what we doing. We just out here playing around. Checking out the different functions, really, more so than anything. And right now I'm using the remote control without looking at the phone, actually. And that's something that I learned how to do, that I can fly it. If I can see it, I can fly it without having the phone. The phone just actually allows you to see it up close. Alright, we're gonna try something here. That's up, down, left, right. I'm gonna see how that works. So that turns it around. Okay. I can't really see what I just did. I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit. What I learned how to do the snail was turn and go forward and do a turn. So that's my turn. Just a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. So I just learned how to do a turn. So that's the turn. And that keeps it steady and turns it in the spot. Go up, over. So go to my, if I go to my left and up on the right controller, that spins it around in a circle, if you can see it. That's it going around in a complete circle. Alright, stop there. And I'm gonna go this way. Okay. Got that part. Alright, so that's my circle. But now to come back to me, I gotta turn around this way and fly forward. Okay. Go down. If I turn this way and go forward, it goes like that. That sucker just flew out over there. You turn it. It just flew that away. Actually, it's over there. Alright.